Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my face again. This is the second review about this device. Today I'm going to try LED light and also ultrasound and galvanic current. The rest of the applies we tried in the other video. And I will give you my honest opinion, my personal opinion. And I want to know, what do you think about it, if you have it or if you try it, and we can share about it. I'm going to wash my face and I will be here in a minute. Okay, I clean my face, I wash my face, and I will start with my bare skin. I have nothing on my skin. So I'm going to start with the LED light. Okay. Red one. I will not use the higher power because I am not wearing goggles, and I think for this we need goggles. They are very strong and I am using the lower power. So I have my mirror there and I think they really work like a mask. We can change the colors if we press this button here. So green light, blue one. This is great for acne. Amber or purple. Oh, I want this for my wrinkles. Purple light. It combines two lights. And there's another function. So, LED light, it's a yes. Let's try the other functions. Okay, we are going to try galvanic current. We need to take this ring out. And we are going to use these pads. They come with the device, and what we are going to do is to take one and put it here and put this again. Okay, that's it. And now we are going to use a cleanser. No, I prefer to use it there. Well, I want to try this galvanic current with a different products. I will let you know after this what I am using. Okay, let's start with this side of my face. And I am using these products. They are for galvanic current. This first one, it's enough. I'm going to use the second apply, which introduces products into your skin. So I need to take it off. And now, the other function, I want this ampoule inside my face. So let's see if it works. In everything I use, I always go up. We have to remember this is a home device. It can work like a professional one or not, but it's a home device. We need to be constant with everything we do. It's not only one treatment and that's it. We need to be constant. And this function, we can use it every day and the other ones, the rest, 3 times a week. We can't ask miracles. We need to be constant with these devices, and if we have it, we have to use it. It has no sense if we have the device and we only do 1 session. With the cleanser that I used previously, I didn't notice a very big difference. I have my face very, very clean, so I didn't notice any difference, but perhaps it works. Okay, it penetrates. I have the product inside my face, so let me see. Can you see the difference? The product is inside. It works for that. I use these 2, this for clean my face and this another one to penetrate, and I'm going to wash my face and to try the ultrasound function. Look at my face and let me see if you see something. I will be here in a minute, so I'm going to wash my face and I will be back. Okay, I have ultrasound gel all over my face, and we are going to try the ultrasound. And it makes a sound, and I feel it. I have to say I feel it. I feel this function. I don't know if it really works, but this is my first impression and I feel it. And oh, here I feel it so much more. We can use this ultrasound function 3 times a week, like EMS. Galvanic current, we can use it every day, and LED light too. I really like LED light. I think they are strong. They are very strong in this device. And galvanic, it helps to penetrate products, but I don't know if it works. Okay. What? Okay, I wash my face and I'm here. So my first impression about this device, I really love LED light. They are strong. And galvanic current really works. The product penetrates to my skin, so it works. And about ultrasound, I feel it, and it makes a sound too. I think, yes, I see a difference here in this area. If I compare to this one, I see a difference. And in my eyebrow, in this side, I see a difference, but I need to try it again and again to can compare. So my first impression is positive, but this is my first impression. I love LED light, I really like galvanic current, and I like ultrasound, but to be honest, I need to try it again, and I will try it for a month, and after that I will do another review, and I will try it on this side to compare to the other side. So I like it, I really like it, and I love LED lights. and the other applied review, you have it in the other video. So thank you so much for being there, guys, and we see you in another video very soon. I love you.